Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Another tool Elements provides for selection is the Quick Selection tool. The Quick Selection tool makes pixel selections based on adjacent pixel color and texture similarity when you click and drag in an image. This can make creating precise selections with this tool difficult depending on the edges within the image and the variation between adjacent pixel color. This tool shares a button within the Select button group in the toolbox with the Magic Wand tool, Selection Brush tool, Auto Selection, and the Refine Selection Brush tool. So be sure to select the Quick Selection tool from the Tool Options bar after clicking the button in the toolbox. After you select the Quick Selection tool in the toolbox and, if needed, the Tool Options bar, then set the options for this tool in the Tool Options bar. First, set the standard pixel selection settings such as the brush size and the selection mode. The modes for this tool are New Selection, Add to Selection, or Subtract from Selection. To sample the color for all layers under the tool's brush, you can check the Sample All Layers checkbox. One additional setting for this tool is the Auto Enhance checkbox. When checked, Elements will automatically enhance the pixel selections you make. If you don't like the auto results, you can turn it off by unchecking this checkbox. After applying the desired tool settings, simply click or click and drag in the image to create, add to, or subtract from a selection.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.